cookie. Oh yeah.
So they said no. They made them go down to the cellar and get a particular bottle with a particular year. And so when I taste it, I was like, wow. Yeah, so I don't know how much it really ended up costing. You can give it $60. But I think his might have been special. I don't know. It's a good year.
I should tell him. Yep.
Now we gotta find out about this whiskey.
Oh yeah. Eating cookie.
Like the wine kind
But at City Hall.
Oh yeah. What was
Oh
that?
yeah. We're
We've
sisters.
heard this before. Have we had this? Did we have it the same day we went with AJ?
See, don't you see? Don't you see the looks? We both have good looks. I know. This from our mama. Good. Amazing. I can't talk so good. I'm speechless. I would be talking, but I can't because I'm eating too much.
Oh, you took my museum?
If you mix it together, it tastes so good.
Was that the same day?
Same day. Right. The restaurant we went to after that. Oh.
Was that where we had to affect it? Okay. That's what this thing is Thursday. I know we've had it before.
Guess where we got this?
Caught my attention.
Oreganos. Who are those Spanish people behind
Name of
us?
that place.
They don't know they're going to be on YouTube. They're going to be famous.
Yeah.
Go JB. Mwah. This is for JB. JB, yummy. This is you. I'm in heaven. Got text. Ooh. Nothing.
Was it Arizona?
No, just a girl. It's some evil girl. Some evil girl. We're not going to name because we're on YouTube right now. Yeah. We have specific reasons. Okay, let's take the last bite, okay? Ready? Okay, babe, you gotta get some more. Ready? Just wait for the ice cream. Oh yeah, we've got ice cream. Oh yeah. But this is better.
Tell them how you're so good, you always check.
Say bye. Bye, love ya. Love you. Bye.